Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Liza Balyonas Calapoto, 33 years old, married with 2 children, age 6 years old and 14 years old. I live in Puro 4, Imelda Bliss Village, Ilagan City, Isabela. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and I'm the 4th child in the family. I am college level. I took Bachelor of Science Information Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your experience?
I have experience here in the Philippines with 2 employers. First employer, I serve 4 person with 1 couple, 1 elderly, and 1 adult with newborn baby. I do cleaning, ironing, washing, and cooking, and the main duty is taking care of newborn babies. Second employer, I serve 2 person with 3 pets. I do cleaning, ironing, washing, cooking, and my main duty is to taking care of 3 pets.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm taking care of the baby when I'm sick is take a temperature or check the temperature and tell my employer the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I'm for my children's future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
Sir?
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'm focus my work and I tell myself I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually wake up 5 a.m. and I sleep at 10 p.m. while work is done.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm stay calm and
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. Hope you select me as your worker. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir. And I promise to finish my contract. And I serve your families with all my best. Thank you.